To make buttercream frosting, start by cutting 1 cup or 225 grams of softened butter into cubes and putting it in a bowl. Then beat or whisk the butter until it's light and fluffy, which should take at least 5 minutes. Once that's finished, add 1.5 cups or 187 grams of confectioner's sugar to the bowl and mix it into the butter. When it's fully incorporated, add 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of cream or milk, and continue to beat or whisk everything together. Finally, add 1.5 more cups or 187 grams of confectioner's sugar and mix the frosting quickly until it's light and fluffy.